Well, this is the skim coat being applied. And here's the product called Island, which is a paint company as well. Super Kinnis Skim Coat White, superior paint adhesion, water repellent, easy to mix and apply. Is this the same stuff you use outside too? Yes? So, anybody know anything about gypsum wallboard? Like chime in. Well, in case anybody's curious, here's the back side. And you want to read the application, skim coat with water, 20 kilo bags, kilo with 20 kilos of this, and then 7.5 liters of water. And that's it. That's the stuff. Here's the masonry. This is our plaster coat, I guess. Is this for the plaster coat? This green, this bag with the green? That's the plaster. And then that's for that over there is for the walls, the mortar. Anyway, that's the plaster coat.